We'll guide you through how to use Gumroad effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to Gumroad's website on your desktop. If you don't have an account yet, click on the Sign Up button at the top right corner. You'll need to enter your email address and set a password to create your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see the dashboard. To start selling, click on the Products tab on the left sidebar, then hit New Product. You'll be prompted to choose between a digital product, physical product, or a membership. Select the one that suits your needs. For a digital product, you'll then enter the details like the product name, description, and upload the file you want to sell. Set your price, and you can even choose to offer a pay-what-you-want option by setting a minimum price. Don't forget to upload an attractive cover image as it helps to catch your buyer's attention. After setting it all up, click Publish to make your product live. To share your product, go to the Share tab, and you'll find a direct link to your product page that you can share with your audience. You can also integrate Gumroad with social media platforms for wider reach. To manage your sales, go to the Analytics section where you can track sales data and customer insights. This helps you understand what's working and tweak your strategy accordingly. Remember, Gumroad also handles payment processing, so you don't need to worry about setting up a separate payment gateway. You just need to connect your bank account in the Time Payout section to receive your earnings. Don't forget to regularly check the Settings tab to update any personal details or preferences. And that's it. You're ready to start selling on Gumroad. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.